Hey, in this video we'll talk about 5 best apps for Android. So keep watching. The first app is Adobe Mo. When you first start the app, it will ask you to sign up. You can enter your details or skip if you wish by just a click of a button. So what this app does, it allows you to record high quality audio. When you click on a record button, it will first listen to noise, then use it to cancel out the noise and give you much better audio output. The next step is private screenshot. Android applications has updated a lot lately. In some Messenger app, if you took a screenshot of a chat, it will directly notify the user on the other side. So this app can be useful. You have to set up the app first. I can't right now as it will stop the screen recording. If you like the video so far, don't forget to leave a like. Next step is volume styles. This app allows us to customize volume controller. There's a little process to set up the app first. After that, you can customize volume controller to any style you want. RGB, 1+, whichever you want. And click on subscribe button. It will motivate me to make more videos like this. Next step is status bar gestures. When you first start the app, it will show you how you can use this app to customize the status bar. After a bit of setup, you can slide on status bar to adjust brightness. This can be very useful as you won't have to pull notification panel every time, and there are also many other features. And the last step is almighty volume keys. You can use this to customize the volume keys, like what will happen when you click volume up key 3 times. You can set it to play next song or turn on silent mode. So share this video with your friends and also check out our other videos.